Ahoy there, sea lovers, marine maniacs, and all you folks who can't resist the charm of aquatic creatures and thrilling rides. Hi, I'm Chrissy O, and welcome back to your favorite fun-filled show, Mouse Ears TV. We're in Orlando today, home of the classic mix of marine marvels and adrenaline-pumping attractions, also known as SeaWorld. You're tuned into Mouse Ears TV. Over the years, SeaWorld Orlando has evolved into an immersive universe that blends a giant aquarium and a thrilling amusement park. Today, we're tackling the big question: can you cover the park's highlights in a single day? We say, totally yes. While you might not catch every single thing, one day is ample to experience the cream of the crop. So strap in. We're about to embark on an incredible journey through our 5 top experiences you simply cannot miss at SeaWorld Orlando, and a few pro tips to help you pace your day. Let's dive right in. SeaWorld usually welcomes guests from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. Want to avoid the queues? Arrive early and try to visit on a weekday. And be sure to know your map ahead of time so you can plan out the day. Hungry? Opt for quick service dining to maximize your time for rides and animal encounters. To really enhance your day, consider upgrading by purchasing a quick queue pass for front row seats and no waiting access to all the attractions. Kicking off our list is SeaWorld's iconic roller coaster, the Manta. This ride will have you soaring through the air, face down, experiencing what it's like to glide along just like a manta ray. With twists, corkscrews, water blasts, and a unique pretzel looping version, it's the perfect start to an adventure-packed day. Time bonus, it's right by the front gates. Next up, head over to Dolphin Cove to channel your inner marine biologist. Here, you'll get a chance to witness the playful antics of these amazingly intelligent creatures. Enjoy an up-close interaction and even pet them as they glide past you. You don't want to skip this experience. Ready to cool off after a morning in Florida sun? Brace yourself for a chilly and rare experience, because it's time to meet the residents of Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin. This exhibit houses 5 species of precious penguins, allowing you to observe them in their icy world, both above and below the water. It's going to be super cool. Did you know that SeaWorld is home to USA Today's #1 ranked roller coaster? You can't leave this park without a ride on Mako, the tallest and fastest roller coaster in Orlando. You'll need to hold on tight for this 3-minute shark-themed coaster that takes you on one crazy ride up 200 feet high and reaching speeds of up to 73 miles per hour. This is a perfect ride to schedule your quick queues around. Finally, the cherry on top of your SeaWorld experience is the mesmerizing and legendary Orca Encounter show. Not just entertaining, this encounter is a blend of natural education and awareness about these majestic marine mammals. Learn about habitats, eating habits, and pod dynamics during this interactive and engaging show. Make sure to arrive early and grab the best seats. And there you have it, thrill seekers. Our top 5 must-dos for an unforgettable day at SeaWorld Orlando. Remember, these are our recommendations, but it's your day. Mix, match, and make it your own. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with more insider tips and tricks. Then hit us up in the comments below with your favorite SeaWorld experiences. Until next time, have a whale of a time.